Have you ever wondered why so many people start learning programming but never actually succeed? What if I told you that the reasons might not be what you think? In this video, we're not just identifying the top 5 reasons people fail in programming. We're digging deep to help you avoid them and stay on track. And because I want you to avoid wasting a lot of time, as I did when I also started learning, I'm sharing a special resource at the end of the video, so stay with me and let's dive in. Reason 1. First, let's talk about multitasking. Imagine trying to learn French, Spanish, and German all at once. Sounds overwhelming, right? That's exactly what you're doing when you try to learn multiple programming languages. At the start, you think that you will hit 3 fishes with one hook, but in reality, you are just wasting your time. So, please, focus only on one language, master its basics, and then move on. Because all languages probably have the same syntax, and then you will find learning a new language easier. Trust me, quality beats quantity. Reason 2. Now let's talk about comparison. It's easy to feel like a failure when you see others building apps or websites while you're still learning loops. But remember, every expert was once a beginner. Focus on your journey, not theirs. Because comparing your level with others will only make you stop learning, and that's what we don't want. Instead of comparing yourself with others, the best comparison you can do is comparing yourself today with yesterday. If it's better, then you're on the right path. Keep going. Reason 3. Overconfidence. This is a silent killer. Thinking you know everything leads to skipping the essentials, which only slows your progress. And yes, I know this is a normal thing to feel overconfident, especially after finishing your first course or writing your first program. But please control that feeling, because if you don't control it, it will control you, and then you will start losing your focus and skipping essential parts that could be a game changer in your career. So, stay humble, keep learning, and always think as if it's your first day of learning and you know nothing. Reason 4. We all know that watching tutorials on platforms like YouTube and Udemy is a great thing and will help you grow. But if you're not practicing, you're not learning. Think of programming as riding a bike. You only improve by doing. And as they always say, you will never learn swimming by reading books that show you how to swim. So, set aside time every day to write code, even if it's just small exercises. And to be honest with you, if you only focus on watching others writing codes on tutorials, you will never be a real programmer. Reason 5. And lastly, not saving your work online. Whether it's a simple calculator or a to-do list app, or even just a single line of code, just save it, because one day you will need it, I promise. Save your projects on platforms like GitHub, and for me, this is the best one because it is already built for that reason. And keeping your projects there will not only showcase your progress, but also help you build a portfolio for future opportunities. As I said before, one day you will need all those projects. That's all for this video. We discovered the 5 biggest reasons people fail in programming. So, avoid these traps, and you'll already be ahead of most. But that's not all. To help you further, I'm giving away my Python book, free for the next 9 days. It's not just another coding guide, and I'm not going to talk about it further. It's for free, so you can explore it yourself. Check out the link in the description and start your programming journey the right way. See you in the next video.